Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So we lit a pumpkin spice candle. It smells so good. We have a little friend frolicking out in the yard. He is so cute. I opened my back door. Oh my goodness. The leaves they're ridiculous. I just had somebody come and do a yard cleanup just a few days ago, and it looks like nothing actually has been touched. So I'm going to have him come back because it is so much to do, and he really helps me out a lot. It is so windy today. Hopefully some of the leaves will blow away in my neighbor's yard. Is that really bad to say? Is that bad? And we're going to edit some videos, and I wonder who this is. I don't even know how she can breathe under here. The tighter the covers, the better that the Barbie likes it. There she is. So cute. We are going to have a little bit of lunch. Actually, okay, so I bought the sushi frozen at the grocery store. It comes in a red box. I don't remember the brand. Guys, it's actually really good. These are California rolls. It was delicious. So of course, when we get ready to go out, it is absolutely pouring. Oh my gosh. Woo! It is really raining, you guys. It is really coming down, you guys. Ooh. Hello beautiful people, I'm Terese and welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'm so excited. We're here at AMC. AMC has invited me to a premiere of Freaky. It's with Vince Vaughn and it's about a serial killer and a cheerleader. So it ought to be really good. So I'm so excited. So I will let you know how the movie is. So here's the trailer for the movie. It's about 2.5 minutes long. Sorry, I could not resize it.
Good morning. Morning. That's me, Millie. ordinary, boring Millie. I love your dress. I think I saw it at Discount Nancy. Okay, so I was never the most popular.
Homecoming's this weekend. Booker is going to be at the dance.
And boys never really noticed me. Honestly, if this was a horror movie, I'd be one of the first ones to get killed. You creepy dude in the mask. Like I said. But actually, it turns out...
Where am I?
I didn't get killed.
Oh my God, why do I sound like that?
I woke up in the killer's body.
The Blissfield Butcher strikes again.
Don't freak out.
You're black! I'm gay! We are so dead!
Will you stop? It's me, it's Millie. Here, Blissfield, high, fill our glory and our might.
And not only is that psycho wearing my body, he's killing it.
He's like a wolf in sheep's clothing. Who knows how many of our friends he's gonna kill?
Are you sure this is safe? No.
Oh my God, it's a slaughterhouse.
I have like less than 6 hours to swap out, or I'm gonna be stuck in this body forever.
Hurry up, Looser, I gotta take a dump.
I have to admit, it hasn't been all bad.
I'm sorry, sir, I didn't mean to interrupt.
How's that feel? I'll make you wish your stupid face was never born. Oh my God, did you just pee yourself? Whoa, what am I wearing?
I'm actually really liking this for you. Great. We're gonna get killed by Murder Barbie.
I can't wait to kill you.
Time to stop this asshole.
We're in this together.
I want my body back.
Come and get it.
Look, I know I look like the butcher, but it's Millie.
He's crazy.
Okay, Booker, can you look at me, please?
Dry up, bitch.
Will you shut up?
I love going to the movies at night. All the pretty lights. It's nice and empty. I'm really excited. There's hardly anybody in the theater, and we have a seat all the way in the back. So we have our popcorn and we have our water. I decided to get a bottled drink because last time I spilled it all over the lobby. Yes, I decided with bottled water this time because going back to the movies, I was so excited. I love the Coke machine. And look, yeah, yes, I did. I dumped it all over the floor. Actually, I will link that video below. It was the first movie I had saw probably like in a year. I just got back from seeing the movie Freaky, starring Vince Vaughn and Katherine Newton. Vince Vaughn plays an excellent antagonist. Every time I see a movie with him, I still see him as a young man. He's a great actor. He literally stole the show. Katherine did a good job as well, and all of the actors, I mean, hats off. And whoever wrote this movie, it was a great plot. It had me on the edge of my seat until like the very end. I jumped. There was a lot of comedy and slashing, of course. You know, I really do love adventure movies. It is not predictable, and I highly recommend this movie. It does come out this Friday, November the 13th. And AMC invited me to the premiere. Thank you, AMC, for having me. My final thoughts. Sequel, please. Yes, sequel. I'm probably gonna go see this movie again, and I really don't go and see movies more than one time. But this one, I'm probably gonna go see it again. That's how much I really did like it. And oh my gosh, I hope it left the lights on. This is a new toy that I did get from the Dollar Tree for the Barbie. She wasn't interested at first, but it kind of buzzes and like vibrates. So it's almost kind of like a real bug, I would say, real mouse, whatever it is. But she likes it. I did happen to go to Walmart and I picked up a few Christmas items. This is so cute. This is just a little pick that you can use in your Christmas decorations. And it comes with a pine cone. Next, this is just a miniature bouquet. You could either hang it on your tree or it does stand by itself. This little guy is so cute. He is so fuzzy. Look what a great job and attention that they paid to detail. And this little guy, he is so cute. And look at this. He has his own little hat. He is just so fuzzy. I also picked up this. This is so cute. It's a little sweater hat. And it does have a clip on the back. And this little guy, he is so cute. It has a little bell inside. They come out with a new one each year. And the last one that I did pick up today is this little red truck. Look how cute this is. It has a little tree in the back. Very well made. All of these ornaments are less than $2 each. And we're definitely going to check out more stores and see what else we can find. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for taking the time to view this video. I really do appreciate it. And until next time, my beauties, XO.